What's up everybody, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And as you guys can see over here, it's time for another sneaker shopping video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are nearing 5,000, so we are about to give away a brand new Adidas Deerupt. And once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away a brand new Adidas Profire. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I wasn't able to get the UltraBOOST Clima obviously from Adidas, the triple black one, for several reasons. Number one, I was late to the party, didn't know about it, so I wasn't able to cop it. Number two, I realized that I really just had too many black shoes. So I have the Pirate Black Yeezys, I have the triple black Calabasas, I have a bunch of other triple black UltraBOOST, so it didn't really make sense to cop another black pair of UBs. Now, fast forward to 2 days ago, I think, or it was yesterday, they released the UltraBOOST White Clima. Now, that triple white model, now that's something that I don't really have because I only have a few triple white shoes, actually just like one or two. So I really wanted to get my hands on it. If I would get a Clima shoe, that would be it. So I went on over to Soul Academy over at BGC to be able to pick up my pair. Now, before we get to the actual Clima, what were the shoes that we were able to see in the store? The new Deerupts were actually already on display. Among all of the new colorways, the all gun metal one with the gum sole at the that was really good. That was beautiful. It's even much better looking than the Adidas Profire Wolf Gray or Onyx or whatever you want to call it. So that particular Deerupt, I never thought that I would end up praising and raving about the Deerupt shoes. But man, they really did a fantastic job on that one. So if you guys aren't doing anything this weekend, I highly suggest that you swing on by one of the Adidas stores and check out the new Adidas Deerupt in all gray. It will be available and will start selling, I think, April 27, so that's tomorrow or later, whatever time it is that you guys watch this video. So it will be already available. And if you haven't gotten your hands or tried out a Deerupt yet, now is the best time to do so. Check it out, check out their new colors. They're ridiculously super good. Apart from the new Deerupt, I was also able to check out the new Adidas Profire, but it was really more for women. I think it's inspired by the original, or not the original, by the green and orange one that came out for men. But this one is particularly for women. So it's a different variant of that. I think the sole is a little more shiny and a little more on the copper side compared to the original color used by the other Adidas Profire. So if you're a lady and if you're thinking of getting yourself an Adidas Profire, now might be a good time to do so by checking out that new colorway. So those were actually most of the new shoes. Now let's get to what I bought. As I mentioned earlier, I was able to cop the new Adidas UltraBOOST Clima in triple white. So let's just quickly check the shoe. But before we get to the shoe, I just have like one quick story for you guys. So I bought shoelaces. So these are Soul Academy's shoelaces, and apparently these shoelaces glow in the dark. So they sold for 545 pesos. I have no idea how and where I will use this. Will probably come in handy for running when you're, running and you want people to see your shoes or something. But hey, it wasn't too expensive, and I've been wanting to test out glow-in-the-dark stuff, so might as well. So pick this one up. There were only two glow-in-the-dark shoelaces in the store when I visited. Got one. I'm not sure if there's another one there. So, but hey, happy to be able to get this one. Let's get to the unboxing. We have your typical UltraBOOST yellow, purple, white box. So it opens the usual way with that similar tissue. Oh wow, this looks really nice. So this is the triple white Adidas UltraBOOST Clima, and as you guys can see, apart from the all-white construction, the Boost midsole, it's literally peppered with perforations all over the shoe. So you have perforations on the upper, all around, big perforations at that. They're not small, mind you. And you have big ones even stretching throughout the heel cage and the three stripes, and all the way here until the ankle collar. So it's literally peppered with holes. So you can actually style this differently. If you wear bright colored socks, people would actually see it from the outside because the holes are quite big. But most importantly, this is built like this so that the circulation in the air really comes in. And apart from that, it's a really light shoe, so I'm really excited to be able to take this out for running, walking, and whatnot, and other types of athletic activity. Obviously, it being white makes it prone to dirt and makes it prone to stain, so you really just have to take care of it if you decide to cop an all-white pair of sneakers. Me, I pretty much accepted that this will be ridiculously dirty in a few months or a few years. I'll just try my best to have it cleaned every now and then. By the way, if you guys haven't seen my video on how I restored my old UltraBOOST, I'll put a link down below so you guys can check it out. Moving to the outsole, you have a white Continental outsole. This is usually black, so it just looks so clean with that white Continental outsole. And you have the color blue torsion system here in the middle. So overall, if you ask me, based on initial impressions, this is a fantastic looking shoe, a ridiculously comfortable shoe, and I look forward to doing the full review on this one in the coming days. So make sure that you guys watch out. The review for this one will probably come out over the weekend. And that's actually it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are giving away an Adidas Profire when we hit 10,000 subscribers, so make sure that you guys subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Peace, God bless, have a great weekend.